Hello, this is Fida Hussain from Voice of Karakaram. Right now we are sitting in Gorutu, which is the one of the main tourism hub of Baltro Glacier, and this is the main point where you can see many peaks from here as well. Right now, if behind us, G4 and Broad Peak and Gasherbrum Peak and Pai Peak is right now we can see from here. So this time, one of the in this season, many tourists are coming to clients or to trekking in the regions. So right now with us, Mr. Suzuki, who is from Japan, who is the Japani team members. He has 3 members to climb G6, which is almost 7,000 meters from the sea level. So, Mr. Suzuki, what about your experience in Pakistan?
It's awesome. It's great experience so far. Yeah,
Is this your first time?
yeah. First time for three of us. Yeah.
So, what was your experience with the drivers, cooks, or porters?
Driving is very adventurous.
Adventures.
Yeah, we had a snow block road and landslide. Yeah, it was very adventurous.
Which place you have faced that challenge?
Huh?
Which place where you has faced the challenge?
I don't know. It happened suddenly as a landslide, and we couldn't drive through the road.
While you are coming from Islamabad to Skardu.
Yeah, it's about to Skardu. Yes.
So after Skardu, when you will start to leave for Ascole,
Yes.
what was driver?
That's like this on the jeep. Yeah. It was like first time experience for me.
Had you fared that at the time?
Yeah, I had fun. I had good time.
You had fun or fared?
Yeah, I had fun.
You had fun.
Yeah,
Great.
yeah.
So right now you are over here reach Gorutu.
Gorutu.
What was your experience with the kitchen staff and porters?
Kitchen stuff is great. Every night we can eat very delicious food, especially like Pakistani foods. Yeah.
Do you have any complaint?
Any compliment?
Complain.
Complain. Complain. No. No complain. Yeah. It's perfect. It's perfect.
It's perfect.
Yeah.
So
100%.
while you are applying for visa, have you can get easily visa in Pakistan?
Yeah. No. It took 2 months to get visa. Yeah, it takes time. It took time.
If I ask you what was the main challenges, the main challenge remained for you to reach here?
Main challenge.
Yeah.
For me personally, it's altitude. Going to here is already higher than Japanese top, which is Mount Fuji. It's 3,800 meters. So I feel little headache. Yeah.
So tomorrow you are in a position to walk.
Yeah, I can walk.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, but very sorry. Kore.
Kule. Well, yeah, that's nice. You in the few days you learned Balti words, so
Yeah.
that's awesome.
Zabardist.
Zabardast. So last but not least, what were your if you I ask the suggestion for promote the tourism in the region?
Huh?
What would you present your suggestion for promotion of the tourism?
Promotion.
Suggestion for promotion. Tourism.
No, it's perfect. Yeah, look at this. This is perfect view. So maybe there's a lodge or something. It's comfortable, but it's nature, so it's difficult.
So what you want to give your message to the rest of the people?
Message.
Yeah.
Walk kore.
Walk kule. Walk kule. It's mean you walk slowly. So I expect that people who are coming here to must follow this advice and these suggestions. So please give me the permission to leave this discussion here, and also a request to the press the bell icon and do subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.